Now Cohen is mixing up the mushrooms into the cream of mushroom soup.
Okay. There's all mushrooms in there.
You can just pick up the container and dump them all in if you want to. Or you can do it one by one.
No, pour.
Are they all in there?
Yep.
Okay, slowly bring it over to you. Good. And slowly stir it up.
And do this?
Sure. You can pick that up and use that to push the mushrooms underneath the sauce. Good. Just don't squish the mushrooms, okay?
Okay.
Just make sure all the mushrooms get wet.
Okay. All mushrooms to put on your bottom?
Mm-hmm. Good job, bud.
And mix?
Nope, we're done with that part.
I need mix speed.
Can you look at the camera and give me a smile?
Cheese.
Thank you.